In this problem, we're given a combination and a permutation and asked to simplify. We have our definitions below. Remember, when we have a combination, the order does not matter, and when we have a permutation, the order does matter. So because in both cases here, we're starting with 9 items, and we're taking 3 at a time, we should be able to recognize that the number of permutations would be more than the number of combinations, because again, for a permutation, the order matters. And for the combination, the order doesn't matter. So looking at the definition of a combination, notice how there are several notations to denote a combination. And in our case, n equals 9 and r equals 3. So to simplify, 9 choose 3. Our numerator is going to be n factorial, which would be 9 factorial. Our denominator is going to be n minus r factorial times r factorial. Well, n minus r would be 9 minus 3 factorial, and r factorial would be 3 factorial. Now we'll go ahead and simplify. We have 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 3 factorial. And now we'll begin to expand 9 factorial, which is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But because we have a 6 factorial in the denominator, we'll stop here and write times 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 3 factorial. So notice how we can simplify 6 factorial over 6 factorial, because 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial would be 1. And now we'll go ahead and expand the 3 factorial and simplify again. So we have 9 times 8 times 7 divided by 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1. Notice 9 and 3 share a common factor of 3. There's 1 3 and 3, and 3 3s and 9. 8 and 2 share a common factor of 2. There's 1 2 and 2, and 4 2s and 8. So we have 3 times 4 times 7 divided by 1, which would just be 3 times 4 times 7, or 84. Now let's take a look at the permutation, and then we'll check both of these on the calculator. So for 9 permute 3, we would have n factorial, which is 9 factorial, divided by n minus r factorial, which is 9 minus 3 factorial, which is just 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So now we'll simplify. So we'll begin by expanding 9 factorial, or starting to. 9 factorial is equal to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 and so on, which would be times 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. And just as before, 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial simplifies to 1. So this simplifies nicely to just 9 times 8 times 7, which equals 504. And just as we expected, the number of permutations is a lot higher than the number of combinations. Now let's go ahead and check both of these on the graphing calculator. The graphing calculator uses this notation for a combination and this notation for a permutation. So on this calculator, we first enter 9, and now we select combination by selecting Math, right arrow to Probability, and then option 3 for combination. So press the number 3, and then we enter R, which is 3, and enter, verifying that we simplified our first combination correctly. And now we'll check the permutation. Again, we'll be using this notation here. So we first enter n, which again is 9. So we have 9, and then Math, Probability, option 2 this time for permutation, so 2, and then we enter R, which is 3. So this is 9 permute 3, and then enter, which equals 504. I hope you found this helpful.